back to my channel, and today I'm going to do review about this Natraj Classic Fine Ball Pen. The Natraj Classic Ball Pen is a product that effortlessly combines functionality, comfort and style, making it go for students, professional and everyday use alike. With a strong legacy of delivering quality stationery, Natraj has once again delivered a product that stands out for its usability and durability. Below is an in-depth review of this Natraj Classic Ball Pen Black, covering its feature, performance and overall value of this ball pen. Now let's talk about the classic feature of this Natraj Classic Ball Pen. It is non-fading ink. The black ink used in this pen is non-fading, ensuring that your notes and documents remain legible over time. It has a hexagonal shape for better grip. The hexagonal barrel is ergonomically designed to offer a comfortable grip. This shape prevents the pen from rolling off flat surfaces, adding convenience during use. Suitable for long writing sessions, especially for students, professionals who spend time writing for many hours. This fine NSTC tip for break-free writing. It has a fine NSTC tip for break-free writing. Equipped with a fine NSTC nickel silver tip coating tip, the pen ensures smooth ink flow and precise writing. No interruption or break in ink, as it makes an excellent choice for detailed and continuous writing tasks. For continuous writing tasks, it makes a better choice to use this pen. Perfect for neat handwriting, drawing thin and consistent lines. Smooth and long writing. The pen delivers a smooth writing experience that glides effortlessly across the page. Its ink is designed to last, making it reliable for extended writing sessions without needing frequent replacement. Smudge resistant ink. The ink dries quickly, minimizing smudges and ensuring clean, crisp writing. Especially useful for left-handed writers who often struggle with ink smudging. Fun writing experience. If you write with this pen, it is a fun writing experience. Writing with this pen feels light and enjoyable, making it suitable for creative tasks, journaling or doodling. Its fun, vibrant appeal encourages young users for it to enjoy the writing. So the young users will write on the notebook, they will enjoy the writing. Yes, I'll give you the detailed analysis of the features of this Natraj Classic Ball Pen. It has a comfortable grip and hexagonal design. The hexagonal shape of the pen is a standout feature that ensures a firm and comfortable grip. Unlike round barrel pens, the hexagon design minimizes hand fatigue even during extended use. Whether you are jotting down or writing long essays, the pen remains easy to hold and control. This design also prevents the pen from slipping off flat surfaces. Adding a touch of practicality is a simple but thoughtful detail that enhances the overall user experience. Non-fading and smudge resistant ink. It is non-fading and smudge resistant ink. The quality of the ink is one of the most critical aspects of any pen, and Natraj delivered exceptionally in this regard. The non-fading ink ensures that the writing remains clear and legible over time. This makes it a reliable choice for tasks like signing official documents, taking exams, or keeping personal journals. The smudge-free resistant property of the ink is another major advantage. It dries quickly, reducing the risk of accidental smudges. This feature is particularly beneficial for left-handed writers who often struggle with ink smudging as they write. So whenever they write like this, so some ink it doesn't dry up quickly, but this pen ka ink it dried up quickly, so accidentally something happened also, the ink will not spread here and there. So this pen, the ink dries very quickly. Fine NSTC tip for precision writing. The fine NSTC tip ensures that the pen glides effortlessly across the papers. This feature is especially useful for tasks requiring precision, such as drawing. When you want to draw fine lines, then is very useful. Or creating detailed sketches, if you want to detail or graphs or something. This ball pen is very useful. The consistent ink flow ensures break-free writing, which is crucial for maintaining neatness and legibility. Whether you're writing in small font or filling out forms. So whether you're writing in small font or filling out a form, the tips provide excellent control and clarity. Now we'll talk about the durability and the longevity of this Nataraj Classic ball pen. The pen is built to last. With a robust body and long-lasting ink reservoir, it is ideal for users who require a dependable writing instrument for extensive daily use. You can rely on it perform consistency without frequent refill or replacement. You don't have to frequently refill or you need to replace it. Okay. Versatility for all age group. This is versatile. Anybody can use according to any age groups. As this pen can be used for kids, so it is suitable for any age groups. Professionalism, you can use it for note down, note taking and official work, while students will find it invaluable for exam assignment and projects. The pen is also an excellent choice for hobbyists who enjoy journaling, like bullet journaling or creating art. Here I'm going to talk you in the next that application and the use cases. This Nataraj ball pen can be used highly versatile and make use of wide range of tasks. Different tasks we can use, like how students will be benefit, ideal for writing exam due to smudge resistant ink and comfortable grip. Great for making notes, completing assignment or drawing diagrams for the students. For professionalism, perfect for taking meeting notes or signing official documents. Provides a reliable writing experience during extended work hours. And for creative tasks, suitable for journaling, doodling or creating intricate design. The smooth ink flow make it easy to experiment with different writing styles. For everyday use, you can use it every day also. A dependable choice to do list, grocery list. You can take house list, whatever things you want in the house, like oil is not there, pen is not there. You can take a notebook and you can write on it. So it is also used for a grocery list also. And quick notes. If you want to take a quick notes, so you can take with this pen. Convenient for labeling and marking. In the CD, I have earlier told you that you can label the CD, whatever the CDs are. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons. It has a comfortable grip. The hexagonal shape ensures a secure grip and reduce hand fatigue. Okay, non-fading ink. Guaranteed that your ink remains clear and legible over time. Smudge resistant. Quick drying ink ensures clean writing without smudges. It is durable and long lasting too. Okay, built to handle. It's built to handle versatile and extensive tasks without frequent replacement. Versatile for students. It is suitable for student professionalism and creative users. Affordable. Offers excellent value for money without compromising on quality. You can get this on any online shop also, and you can get it on your local stores also. This pen, this is you can get it everywhere. Cons. The cons are limited in color. While the blank ink is versatile, some user might prefer additional color option. So some user might use an other option. Their choice must be different color. They like to write in a green pen, yellow pen or whatever pen, but there's a limited color option. And the material. The pen is designed as being made of wood, which may not appeal to user looking for sleek and modern design. Okay. Why choose Nataraj ball pen? That is for its practicability and high performance. we need to use this. Storage. Store the pen in a cool or dry place to prevent ink from drying out. Always replace the cap after use to maintain the quality of the ink and the chalk. So friends, I'm gonna write from this classic Natraj pen. I'll write my channel name, that is product reviews, and my name. See, this is what I've written from this pen. It's very nice, and it's dried up quickly. There's nothing, even accident something. If the ink was not dried accidentally, it could have spread. But this ink dried very quickly, and I really like this pen. So this was all about the Natraj Classic and Fine ball pen. So I like this product. I will like to buy a product if the ink get over, and so I will buy this classic pen from Natraj. So thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like on my video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing video. Bye.